Let's take a look at this award-winning vacuum. I think this might be the first award-winning vacuum that I happened to be present when the award was handed out. So if you're not familiar with Henry's, they are made out of the UK, and they're known for their quality. They tend to be quite strong, little bagged canister or cylinder vacuums. And this one is cordless, so no cord, turns on and off. It's got a 2-speed motor, has its own battery, and this battery is really easy to change. I was noticing that yesterday when I was handling it. Super easy. Comes with 2 batteries and charger. On the back side, not only do we have parking, we have your crevice and dusting brush, full size. Nice upholstery. Dusting brush combo comes with it. And then you have your indicator right there, a nice tribute to the Queen right there. It's your power indicator. It's very, very quiet. It's almost surprisingly quiet on that. We park that right there. Let's take a look at the inside of this. Don't want to break the brand new vacuum here. So you can see this motor is quite hefty. That's where it gets its power. Now their claims it's pretty strong, definitely stronger than the Dyson V10 or any of those. So you got your pre-motor filter, and then you got your typical Numatic HEPA bag. It's got a huge bag on it. So this is one of the only cordless vacuums there. Give you an idea how big this bag is. And this bag does have a sealing tab, which is a nice touch. And that just goes on there like that. Really, you know, messing around with this, feeling this, moving all this stuff, you can tell that this is really well made. Feels very solid. You have rubber wheels and then casters. I suspect this thing will maneuver really, really well. All that just parks right there. Let's test its maneuverability. Well, its maneuverability is quite impressive, as you see. So let's take a look at the rest of the tools and see how that works. It has a really long hose on it. Give you an idea. And at the end of the hose, they have it trimmed here so that you can kind of use it as a crevice tool. And if you do wear it out at an angle, I guess it's going to be kind of a natural fit. They have a nice stainless steel bend in the wand here. And we have a suction relief valve. So that's really nice. Then we have multi-part wand construction. And then we have a nice Visselvik mono wheel combo tool. And this is one of my favorite combination tools. And other than Miele, this is maybe the only vacuum that comes with this. So this is really a cool little tool. I'm in the booth next door because the floor is bare, and we're going to do a bare floor pickup test now with this. Well, it's clean. Only thing, a little bit of hair got stuck to here, but that's to be expected.
Cats. Yeah.
Alright, well it did surprisingly well considering there's no rotating brush. You can see it got the fine stuff, it got the cat litter, it got the cereal, it got most of the pet hair even. Now, if you put a turbo or a different style floor tool on the end of this, I'm sure it would do better. But as Ibasiak pointed out, it's only going to pick up where the limb pickers. And this is similar to any of the straight suction machines. They're not meant to pick up cat hair from carpet, or dog hair in this case. But this is an extreme test, and it did really well. It did better than the Kirby did the first pass, if you guys remember that test. So I'm really pleased, especially for a cordless vacuum, how much power this thing has on it. We're going to give the cordless Henry a try now with a turbo brush. That's right, this cordless machine will actually run a turbo brush, though the manufacturer doesn't recommend it, but we're going to do it anyways. Well, that really did well. Well, Henry really did well like that, and I'm really impressed what he did for a cordless machine. So please like, subscribe, and thumbs up this video.